Good morning, children. Today we are going to do book exercise. Children, take your Happy Phonics 2 book. Now take the page number 3. Children, every day you see a lot of things around you, isn't it? You should know to find out the beginning sound of the picture that you see. So, shall we say aloud the name of each picture? Now, find out the correct beginning sound and write them below. Children, let us start reading the picture. Look at the first picture, children. It is a fish. It begins with the letter F. So, children, write the letter F in the box. The next picture is caterpillar. It begins with the letter C. Children, write the letter C in the box. She is a queen. It begins with the letter Q. So, children, write the letter Q in the box. The next one is sun. It begins with the letter S. Write the letter S in the box, children. This is an octopus. It begins with the letter O. So, children, write the letter O in the box. Very good, children. The next picture is parrot. It begins with the letter P. Children, write the letter P in the box. The next picture is dolphin. It is a dolphin. It begins with the letter D. Children, write the letter D in the box. This is a xylophone. Children, it begins with the letter X. So, write the letter X in the box. It is a lion. It begins with the letter L. Very good. So, children, write the letter L in the box. This is a apron. It begins with the letter A. So, children, write the letter A in the box. He is a king. It begins with the letter K. So, children, write the letter K in the box. The next picture is eagle. It is an eagle. It begins with the letter E. So, children, write the letter E in the box. This is a nest. It begins with the letter N. Write the letter N in the box. The next picture is zebra. It begins with the letter Z. Children, write the letter Z in the box. It's a monkey. It begins with the letter M. So, children, write the letter M in the box. Very good, children. This is a jug. It begins with the letter J. So, children, write the letter J in the box. The next picture is watch. It begins with the letter W. So, children, write the letter W in the box. It is a tortoise. It begins with the letter T. Children, write the letter T in the box. The next picture is guitar. It begins with the letter G. So children, write the letter G in the box. It's an umbrella. It begins with the letter U. So children, write the letter U in the box. These are ice cubes. It begins with the letter I. So children, write the letter I in the box. This is a house. It begins with the letter H. Write the letter H in the box, children. The next picture is button. It is a button. It begins with the letter B. So children, write the letter B in the box. It is a violin. It begins with the letter V. Write the letter V in the box. This is yo-yo. It begins with the letter Y. So children, write the letter Y in the box. And the last picture is rabbit. This is a rabbit. It begins with the letter R. So children, write the letter R in the box. Very good, children. Now children, take the page number 5. Children, would you like to color different pictures? Now, what you have to do is read the word, write it, and then color only the matching picture. Shall we start, children? Okay. The first word is bed. B-E-D. Bed. So children, color the picture bed. The next word bin. B-I-N. Bin. Color only the picture bin. The next word is mug. M-U-G. Mug. Children, color the picture mug. The next word is cap. C-A-P. Cap. Children, color only the picture cap. The next word is dog. The spelling of dog is D-O-G. Dog. Children, color only the picture dog. The next word is jet. J-E-T. Jet. Children, color only the picture jet. The next word is tap. T-A-P. Tap. Color the picture tap, children. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Children, color only the picture pot. The next word is tub. T-U-B. Tub. So children, color only the picture tub. And the last word is bib. B-I-B. Bib. Children, color only the picture bib. Well done, children. Children, complete the page number 3, 5 and 6. Children, Write neatly in your book, okay? Thank you, children.